Good morning. I want to stop to take a minute to share this experience. You see, when you are on to good things, the devil will try 1,000 to 1,000,000 things to distract you. But when your faith, trust is rooted in God, no weapon formed will ever prosper. I don't know, the last year I had a flu. Here I am. Look at my eyes, especially my right eye. Then, with this cold front of weather, you want to speak about pain. I've determined ever since I heard about the Restore Revival taking place at the SDA Church for a week with Pastor Dotin from Trinidad, that I would attend and not miss one session. There it was. Sabbath morning, you want to speak about pain, and I still determined that is not going to stop me. If I have to drag to church and sit down and don't have to be getting up all the time because that irritates my hip and my back somewhat, I'm going. And I did. And trust me, I enjoyed that sermon. Last night, the strangest thing happened. Terrible sore throat that I left the job in pain. I'm in pain these days. But I know my Redeemer lives and relief is on the way. You see that herbal supplement that I have been advertising, Fountain of Life? When that come, besides the beauty that you see from Flawless, I'm gonna take charge of my health and get on Fountain of Life. Just 5 drops I would need per day to get rid of this cold, this flu, these aches and pains in my joints, my back, and everything. I'm gonna testify later after a month how I'm feeling. But anyhow, folks, I'm on a mission. I'm inviting everyone, be you from whatever denomination, come out and hear those wonderful messages prepared for youth and families, and be blessed, be inspired, and know that you, at the end of the day, it's between you and God. I'm not here to pretend I'm all that perfect. No, I'm not. But I have decided some years ago to make a serious change in my life, and I'm on that path. Easy? No. Challenges on the job, challenges in my personal life, challenges all around. But I trust in my God, and He will see me through. The prayers of my mom is still on my life. I do the same for my kids, and I encourage every parent to continue praying over their children's lives. No matter be they young, may they be adults, continue praying for your children. The devil is after our minds and our families. All he is a bunch of confusion. But trust me, greater is he in me than he that is out there in the world. Have a blessed day. I just felt touched to make this video. As you can hear in the background, break every chain. Many chains are being broken in my life, and I couldn't do it on my own. And I thank God for breaking those chains, and many more going to be broken. Have a blessed and wonderful day, and you'll be hearing more often from me. Take care. Be blessed.